Guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes guys, today I'll be cooking yama plantain porridge pepper soup. Yes, I have all my ingredients, guys. I have my pepper soup ingredient, I have my shrimp, my fresh pepper and tomatoes, my fresh fish, onions, maggi, I have my salt, I have my carrot, and this is the yam and plantain I'll be using, guys. Right now my chicken is already on fire. Yes, it's already boiling. Yes, yeah guys, I will be adding some onions. Yes, this chicken needs onions to be cooked. Yes, and I love onions so much, guys. I like using onions to cook my porridge. Enough onions. When I mean enough onions, I like putting enough onions on my either cooking like jollof rice, beans, porridge. I like using enough onions, guys. Yeah, right now I'll be adding some salt. Yes, I'll be adding some salt on it and some spices. Yes, I've added some spices on it. Yes, I already blended my tomatoes and pepper. Yeah, this is my tomatoes and pepper. I've already blended it. Yes, that is what I'm putting inside right now. Yes, and I'm putting some maggi on it. Yes guys, so I'll be turning it together. Yes, I need to turn it together so that all the ingredients can cook with the chicken. Yes guys, right now I'm going to be putting the yam and the plantain inside the pot, inside all the ingredients in the pot, so that they can all cook together. Yeah guys, I'll be adding some water. Yes, I'll be adding some water so that you can see water to cook, to boil very well. Yes guys, if you see the aroma that is coming out from this food, guys, the aroma, even the old building. The old beauty is just say, who is cooking this food? I say it's me or it's Glorious Reality. Yes, yeah, this is the main ingredient that we need on this food, this porridge pepper soup, which is the pepper soup ingredient. Yes, right now I'm adding my pepper soup ingredient, and I am all turning it together. I'm turning all of them together so that they can all cook together. The aroma that is coming out from this food, oh god, the food was so yummy. Yeah, look at it, the food is almost about to be eaten, guys. Yes, the food is almost about to be eaten. Just look at the heat, the aroma, everything. Guys, this food was so sweet and yummy. Guys, I'm adding my fresh shrimp and my carrots right now on it, and I'll add them my fresh fish on it. Yes, let's turn it just for like 1 second and cover it again. Let it cook for just like 3 minutes. Yeah guys, the aroma that is coming out from this food, just look at it. Just look at this porridge pepper soup. Just look at it. Just look at it. The food was so yummy and yummy. Guys, you people should not mind me, I'm just exaggerating, but the food was so sweet. Yes, it's sweet. Yes, just look at it. Yes, so the food is about to be eaten. Just bring your plate, let me serve you. Bring your plate, because my plate is already ready. Yes, so my plate is beside me. Oh yes, yeah, this is my plate. I'm already serving myself. Yes, bring your plate, let me give you some, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you are not thumbs up for me, thumbs up for me. Just like, thumbs up for me. Please don't take my thumbs up off. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you. I really appreciate all my supporters. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Yes guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye. yummy, 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 yummy. Thank you so much.
You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would.